Yeah, so the BRUIN study was a very, very large phase 1/2 study that enrolled patients with multiple B-cell malignancies. What was unique about this study is that it involved a BTK inhibitor, a non-covalent BTK inhibitor, so a different mechanism of action than other BTK inhibitors currently available. This drug, now called Pirtobrutinib, was studied in patients even if they had prior BTK exposure. The data that I'm presenting here at ASCO are focused specifically on those patients with mantle cell lymphoma, providing now long-term follow-up, about 2 to 3 years of follow-up. And the majority of patients in this cohort, 90 of them, were actually patients who had mantle cell lymphoma that had either progressed or stopped a different BTK inhibitor because of toxicity. So these were patients who have seen a prior BTK inhibitor. Despite that, with Pirtobrutinib, the overall response rate was 58% in this patient population. And not only was it effective, but they were durable responses with a median duration of response of nearly 18 months. In addition, the safety profile of this drug looked to be really, really favorable for patients, with low rates of grade 3 to 4 toxicities and really low rates of sort of BTK-associated AEs, such as atrial fibrillation, hypertension, and bleeding. Lastly, this drug actually showed efficacy in all different types of mantle cell, regardless of the characteristics, whether they had a P53, high Ki67. And so these data helped actually get this drug approved, which happened a few months ago, and now is a viable option for patients who have relapsed refractory mantle cell, and we're excited to share this sort of longer follow-up on survival and durability.